friends, it's Julie Fior. Today's new video with hairstyle from 40s and with hairnet. Hairnets is very comfortable things. I have a lot of them in different colors, and I like to create some elegant hairstyles, and also when I need to do a lot of things all day long, and in the evening I have some event where I need to look glamorous with beautiful hair. I understand that my curls may not hold all the day long because of weather, so I use hairnet all day long, and in the evening I just remove it and brush my hair, and really my hairstyle looks very beautiful. So it's like little beauty tips from me. This hairnet is in black color. It's a vintage hairnet from DDR, and I think it's not a rule to use hairnets only in color that match your hair, but of course I have hairnets in my color, but when my clothes is in dark colors, I think the black one is really matching good for my look. And the light color I used for light looks. So this hairnets is modern one. I bought them in sports shop, because in modern life hairnets using in gymnastic on their competition. They're making beautiful hairstyles and use the nets to keep them in beautiful condition. So you can find hairnets in your local sports store or another stores, yes. So, and this hairstyle is my imagination, because I don't know how I can call it. I use a little, here I add Victory rolls, here like a little kind of puddle hair, and hairnet. Keep watching to see how I did this hairstyle. As always, foam rollers 22mm before sleeping. Video how I use them you can find in information below the video. I separate curls behind my ears and brush them near the roots. I do this because I will create victory rolls and don't want to ruin them later. Fixing hair for comfort and starting to make victory roll. I have detailed a video about victory rolls and will add the link in information. Start to do rolls from my curls. The main thing is not to brush them. I create roll and fix it with bobby pin. I have 4 rolls. With wood pins, I am creating the shape that I want. Later I will remove them. Doing another row. Now I am brushing my hair and wearing the net. I fixing it with 4 bobby pins, 2 behind the rolls and 2 behind the ears. Fixing hairstyle with a hairspray. This hairstyle can hold a lot of days. Hairstyle is done! Just complete the look with matching clothes and accessories. And of course don't forget about red lipstick. So I'm ready to go. Don't forget to like if you like this tutorial and follow my channel for more hairstyle tutorials and vintage tips. New video every Friday. Bye bye!